Alright guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how I use just 3,000 naira to get 204 page likes to my page. The very first thing you want to do is to go to your page, go to Ad Manager on Google, then go to your page. Alright, then you want to click on the Create Ad over here. Click on Create Ad over here. Once you click on Create Ad, this dialog opens up. Then you want to select your ad motive. Okay, so we want to promote our page, so we are going to click on this here. Then it's very easy. Now what you want to do now is to write a description, a very short description that will show down here. Right, that will show down here. So you want to write a description. So this is what I wrote: learn new business ideas that can generate multiple streams of income. This is what people will see. Okay, right, so this is what people will see. All right, so once you've written that, next thing you want to do is to edit your picture. If you want to go with this, if you want to go with the picture on your cover page, it's fine. But if you want to change it, you can simply edit and choose a picture you want here. Then you can choose the image you want. All right, it takes you to your gallery. This was the image I used the other time. Okay, this was the image I used. Select. Okay, so here it is. All right, you choose the image you want. Then you go down. Then the next thing you want to do is to choose an audience. All right, choose an audience. An advantage audience, an audience that is based on your page details and will automatically adjust over time. So Facebook has actually kind of put together your page details, people that are actually looking at your page and their details. But also, if you don't want that, you can simply get a new audience. You can simply get a new audience. All right. If you want to name the audience so that you can also use it another time, good and fine. But let's just say page like audience, page like audience. Okay, gender all, age 18 to 65. So I think I used somewhere around here. All right, then location, you can use Nigeria as a whole so that I can target a broad audience, or you can detail it down to, depending on the kind of page you're running. If you are in Lagos and you want to reach out to people only in Lagos, you can simply type in Lagos, and Lagos will be selected. All right, so that is how to do it. All right. Okay, so let's move on to the next. Sorry. So once you've done that, you want to go to detailed targeting. Who do you want to meet? People. One thing with Facebook ads is that Facebook uses the algorithm, its algorithm, to help you reach, to help your ad reach the people you want them to reach. So if you want to reach people who are interested in digital marketing, you come down here and write digital marketing. All right. If you're interested in people who are looking up stuff on Facebook on affiliate marketing, you come here and type it. All right. So these are the things I've added. So just add them. These are things I've used before. Just add them quickly. Okay. It's as simple as that. So once you are done, the next thing is to save your audience. So your audience saves. All right. Then the next thing you want to do is to go down and schedule your ad. If you want the ad to start running today, then the start date should be today's date. All right. Then do you want your ad to run continuously, till you post it manually? Then you have to click this if you want that. But if you don't want that, you can choose a date when the ad will end. So if it's a 5-day ad, it will end on 24th. If it's a 10 days ad, it will automatically end on 29th. All right. So that is how to do it, guys. That is how to do it. Then the next thing you want to do is to go down and add funds. But before you add funds, you want to choose an amount you want to spend for that 10 days daily. All right. Do you want to spend 800 every day? Do you want to spend 6,000 every day? I think that ad I ran, I spent 1,000 naira every day thereabout. So that is what I did for that one. I spent 1,000 naira thereabout every day. So our ad is running for 8 days. Our ad is running for 8 days here, right? That means our total budget is 8,000. Okay. So as you can see up here, people that will be reached, people that will be reached at the end of the ad daily is 940 to 2.7k people daily, right? And Facebook is estimating that your page will get 56 to 160 likes daily. All right, it is not always the case. Okay, it can be lesser and it can be more depending on the audience Facebook finally show your ads to. All right, so once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to add funds to your account. So you click on add funds. Okay, then you want to add let's say 8,000 is what we're adding, right? So 8,000. Okay, then you click on this click on Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa Pay You. All right, click on it, add funds, then click on continue. Then you want to go ahead to add your details. All right, once you add your detail, click on pay and it will automatically pay. And the next thing you want to do is to promote now. So just click on promote now and you give Facebook a while to approve your ad, and your ad is up and running. So if you learned something from this, please do well to leave a comment in the comment section, and also hit that subscribe button and subscribe and leave a like to this video. All right, so see you next time.